Hi, my name is Phil Huber from Monon, Indiana in White County. My dad and I are partners in Huber Grain Partners. We've been farming together for a little over 20 years. Growing up, we had pole buildings on the farm and they were always FBI buildings. We've had good friends and family who have owned and worked at FBI our entire lives, and so we've just kind of known about them. I've grown up with them as being the pole barn in the area. We chose to work with FBI because of the relationships we've had over the years with people at FBI, and also the closeness, the value they provide. We've been thrilled with the buildings that we did have years ago, and then as we chose to upgrade, it just made sense to continue to work with FBI. Since I've come back to the farm, we in 2008 added a building because we needed a place for our seed treater and our seed business. Since then, I've worked on multiple projects, including some rental buildings, and also then a big addition to our farm shop as we outgrew the one we built in 2008, and had a great experience on all three projects that we've done with FBI. Our design and planning phase was very smooth. We had the pleasure of working with Jimmy Terry. We sat down, went over what we wanted, what we needed, how we could incorporate. Our second project was an addition onto a current building, and so there were some logistics and challenges that needed worked through. The addition was added during the busy spring planting season, and we were very happy with the way they worked with us, staying out of our way, us trying to stay out of their way. The project managers did a great job of communicating, talking us through things, where they were at, what the schedule was. We were very thankful for the way things went. We would definitely recommend FBI buildings to anyone who is considering building a pole building or an additional building onto what they already have. They were smooth to work with. They have experience. The people were great from the start of the project all the way through completion. We were just very pleased with the way things went and thankful for the way they worked with us and helped us solve the problems that we had, the challenges that we were facing with the addition, and would highly recommend them anytime. I'm Phil Huber, and I chose FBI Buildings.